In this video, I just want to show you two different techniques on how to transfer pictures from your phone to your Xbox. So Xbox Series X or S. So the two ways you can do this. The first way is to get a USB drive like this one that has a USB Type-C plug, and most Android phones and even the new iPhones, this is an older iPhone, you simply need to connect it, transfer your picture on the USB drive, and then connect it to the Xbox. You'll need to have an adapter if it's USB Type-C to the Xbox, but this USB drive has both, so USB Type-A and USB Type-C, so it's easy to simply plug it in my phone like this, and then with the USB Type-A connected to your Xbox, and this way you'll be able to have access to your pictures. Once the USB is connected, you just need to go into the settings over system storage, and right under here you're going to see your USB drive, and you'll be able to have access to your pictures. The other way you can do this is wireless. You don't need any cable, anything. All you have to do is to go into the store here, type the search button. You need to type Dropbox. Select Dropbox. And from here you need to download the app. And once the app is downloaded, you just have to upload your picture to Dropbox on your phone or laptop, and then you'll have access. This is the main screen to all your pictures on your Xbox Series S or X. So I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below. If you have other ways how to transfer your pictures, please let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.